wanted to come on and just show you a quick and easy recipe. I've been really into Brussels sprouts lately, so I wanted to cook up some Brussels sprouts with a little turkey bacon, give it a little punch. It's really good. Veggies first, veggies most, and let me show you what I'm cooking. So first I sprayed my skillet with some oil, just lightly sprayed, and then I added 2 cloves of garlic and like a 1/4 cup of onion. Saute that, make sure it's nice and translucent, the onions are, and then I added 4 cups of shredded or shaved, cut up Brussels sprouts, and just let that cook through. In the meantime, you can cook up some turkey bacon, and I already have. I put 6 strips of bacon chopped up, already cooked, and I'm going to add this to after I cook up my Brussels sprouts, make sure they're all cooked through, like 4 to 6 minutes, I would say. You can add the lid to make it go a little faster. And also, I'm going to add in like 2 tablespoons of vegetable broth. There we go. So like I said, you can chop up your Brussels sprouts or keep them shaved. You shave them up however you like them. Just kind of stir this around. So about 6 minutes, I would say, 5 to 6 minutes until they're nice and soft, the Brussels sprouts. And then you just add your bacon right on top. Mix that up, stir it up for about a minute, and you've got yourself a protein and some yummy veggies seasoned, and it's really, really good. So if you'd like the recipe, just comment below and I will send you the link for the recipe. Have a great day.